This is the alkaline diet every cancer patient needs to know. Cancer is disease which is caused by an uncontrolled division of abnormal cells in some part of the body. Today, it is one of the most death-causing diseases and millions of people are struggling with malignant growth or tumor. According to some experts, patients who are diagnosed with cancer need to make certain changes in their diet and thus to relieve the symptoms of this hazardous medical condition. Regardless of the health condition, balance of pH levels is crucial for each person. Namely, the pH levels range from 1 to 14 and pH 7 is considered as neutral value. The pH levels, lower than 7 are acidic, while the pH level higher than 7 are alkaline. The pH levels of your body have an impact on your overall health, and in order to maintain your health at optimal level, your body should have an alkaline pH level. How is alkaline diet beneficial for fighting cancer? Alkaline diet destroys cancer cells, and that is the main reason why alkaline diet is so important in fight against cancer. Namely, patients who suffer from cancer should consume more alkaline food and thus to prevent multiplication of the hazardous cancer cells and even destroy them. For cancer patients, it is highly advisable to stop consuming acidic food. How is acidic food related to cancer? Inflammation is the major culprit for developing cancer, and it most commonly is caused by consumption of acidic food. Namely, inflammation is a physical condition and usually is caused by injury or infection. When the damaged tissue releases chemicals, human body starts producing white blood cells which stimulate cell division and multiplication, and therefore the damaged tissues repair, in order to fight inflammation. In addition to that, it is important to mention that chronic inflammation occurs when the inflammatory response starts without any cause, neither injury nor infection, and doesn't end when it is supposed to end. At most patients, this condition occurs as a result of abnormal and atypical reactions to infections, normal tissues, or obesity. Some of the common results of chronic inflammation are DNA damage and cancer. Alkaline diet. Eat cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage, kale, and broccoli are best when are eaten raw. It is advisable to eat 2-3 pieces of these vegetables on daily basis in order to keep your acidic levels low. Consume healthy oils. Consume organic oils such as olive, avocado, and coconut oil, which possess anti-inflammatory properties and are incredibly beneficial for the process of transportation of messages in the nervous system. On the other hand, you should avoid processed sunflower, corn, margarine, and hydrogenated oil as they have negative impact on the transmission of the previously mentioned messages. This is extremely important as the nervous system should receive all the messages so that it functions properly and protects health. Choose proteins to get your protein intake. Consume peas, nuts, lentils, seeds, and beans. Still, you should avoid or reduce meat intake as when the meat is cooked at high temperatures, two toxins are formed, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, and heterocyclic amines, HCAs, which may damage the DNA, which furthermore may lead to development of cancer. Choose drinks. When it comes to beverages, you should always drink water. Additionally, you can drink natural herbal or green tea, or any kind of freshly prepared vegetable juice. It is particularly important to avoid sodas and beer as they contain preservatives, additives, and sugar. Also, you need to be careful with the amount of coffee you drink on daily basis. Eliminate sugar. Sugar is incredibly harmful in many different ways. Namely, the cancer cells utilize glucose more than any other cells, and due to the fact that sugar is acidic, it stimulates cancer progression. Moreover, pancreas releases insulin when you overconsume sugar, and that furthermore leads to insulin resistance and eventually stimulates cancer cell rapid growth. Eliminate gluten instead of baked foods like muffins, cookies, cakes, bread, cereals, pasta, etc. It is advisable to start consuming organic quinoa, rice, teff, and buckwheat. Moreover, you should avoid rye, wheat, spelt, and other grains which contain gluten and may cause inflammation. Eliminate dairy products. Cow dairy products actually are proved to be one of the most cancer-causing foods. Most of the cheese and yogurt sold on the market are produced by added powdered milk, which contains casein. This protein is proved to feed cancer and causes inflammatory diseases and bone decay, as well.